SD Touch 2. Service menu, Energy Settings. Go to Settings and enter your PIN code. Enter the service menu. Make settings under the Energy tab. Time power save when echo mode is equal to off. Time power save equal to time without interaction with the panel before screensaver starts. Time power save when echo mode is on. Time power save equal to time without the interaction with the panel before energy save mode starts, not while baking. Echo mode on off. When active, the switch is green and to the left. Power reduction temperature. The temperature the oven is allowed to drop to in energy save mode. Oven lights on off in energy save mode. Set if relay K6 external connection in oven shall be on or off in energy save mode. Time without panel interaction before panel's backlight is dimmed. Backlight starts again when panel is touched. Backlight power in percent when in energy save mode. Panel brightness in percent. Set your energy cost for 1000 kilowatt to be able to see your actual baking cost in the cost graph. For electrical powered ovens, for gas and oil fired ovens, contact your distributor or area sales manager. Clear the cost graph with the clear button at the bottom of the screen.